Hi guys! So we are back with a good old-fashioned vlog today. Scary Chef Sherry is not in business right now, guys. We've got to cook. Very excited. So I mean, I don't have to buy me cook dinner every day, which is great. And she makes amazing food for now. So yeah, very happy about that. Now I've just actually been doing a lot of cleaning over the last 2 days. So yesterday we cleaned my mom and dad's room. Amrita came over because she's the only like non-hoarder in the family. Even I'm a big hoarder, and we just threw. I'm gonna put a picture here so you can see how much stuff was thrown out. And this is not the giveaway stuff, right? This was like the kachra, like the raddi. There were bags and bags of clothes and all of that, which was to give away. So yeah, it was a mega cleanup. Finished their stuff. I have some of my stuff here which I still need to sort after Mr. goes for a walk. As you can see, we are ready and waiting. You wanna go for a walk? Yeah, so we're ready and waiting for a walk. So yeah, now I've got to do a lot of other stuff, cleaning, laundry, all of that happening since Scary Chef Sherry is not working today. And I have to see my emails, guys. I have like, I don't know, last time I checked it was 1,000 emails. I never let it get this far because this is when it becomes scary, right? Like when you're like, oh my god, how am I ever going to do this? I know most of it is spam. Because there won't be that many people trying to email me, but even if it's like 400-500, it takes like a couple of hours, and I just haven't had that in the last 2 weeks. So okay, before I go into the rant, let's go for a walk with this guy because he ain't gonna wait for me. Okay folks, we are back. Time to clean this mess, do some unboxing stuff. So we have a lot of PR packages that have come in that I haven't really cleaned, or then I have to do some laundry. So yeah, as I said earlier, it's a busy day and there's a lot of traffic. I don't know why, but I'm also going to show you guys the cleanup I've done. So I've already cleaned like my shoes and stuff yesterday, which are out in the sun getting some sun, and yeah, so gonna show you that. And then we're gonna move into unboxing some stuff and packing some stuff for me to take to Wally as well, because I feel like a lot of my stuff needs to go back to the closets and stuff, which is just lying here. And yeah, so basically we're doing stuff today. That's what we're doing. Okay guys, I have some ridiculous amounts of gifts and PR packages that I want to share with you because there's just some amazing stuff today. Very excited about it. So first up, we have something from Shrishti. Instagram handle is Shrilastrator. Go follow her and buy her stuff because it is amazing. I love what she does. Look at this. She sent me a bunch of stickers. We've got some coasters. How cool are these? And my favorite are the cushion covers. Look at that. That. And that. This is me. Then we have something from Estee Lauder. So they have some offers on for Diwali, which you can check out. But I love the size of this guy. Like, how tiny is this lipstick? Yeah, now you can see how tiny it is compared to a normal lipstick, right? Baby lipstick. I love that. Love this. I was part of Smriti's podcast, so check it out. You can listen to it on Jio7. Beautiful puja thali from Decor Remedy for Diwali. Thank you guys. Something from Condé Nast Traveler. We have this necklace, which is really cool, which is made from like upcycled bits and buttons and stuff like that. Something from System Professional. Thank you guys. And last but definitely not the least, what I'm most excited about, Verified, which is Anam's lipstick. So Anam has sent me a little note along with these lipsticks. Okay guys, so most of you probably don't know this, but Anam and me go back like way back. So we both started around the same time when YouTube was not really the YouTube you see today, about a decade ago. And I'm really happy to see that she has her own line. I met her after what I think a couple of years at the event the last time I got ready and went out, and I had told her to pick shades for me and send them to me. So here's what she's picked. I love that they have like a screw cap so your lipstick doesn't come undone in like your bag and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. Love the color and the formulation. I think this is going to be one of my festive favorites. Loving this. Congratulations, Anam. Thank you for sending me your lipsticks and for being who you are and doing this for the last 10 years like I have been doing. Love it. Okay, we are in Scary Chef Sherry domain right now, guys. We're in my kitchen. But I ain't cooking. I'm just here to heat my lunch and to do some laundry. So the main house laundry I've already done, but I just have to wash some silkies. You guys remember the silkies when I think in web when I mentioned it like in one of the videos. So these, my grandfather used to make these for us. He had a tailoring shop when we were kids. And it is the softest thing. It's like a silk little cover, like a blanket type thing, like you know how you have a dohar or whatever, but it's actually with like silk fabric, and it is the coziest, comfiest thing ever. Found these in my mom's cupboard, so going to wash some silkies. And to wash them, I'm actually using these pod type things. I ordered them to try them. I know they're Surf and Ariel. I ordered the Ariel ones, and they do smell nice. I don't know how cost effective and all they are. If you guys want me to do a detailed review, maybe we can put in a to buy or not to buy, like for this guy. But I do like to use it when I wash my linen because it smells good. So this is basically what it looks like. You have the detergent, the comfort and everything in that, like the softener and whatever, and you just like plop it in with the laundry directly into the drum, and then you don't need to put like your soap and stuff here. I'm gonna have my lunch. I'm having some yummy Thai green curry, which I haven't made. That's even why it's going to be like more exciting and yummy. But yeah, that's lunch today. Okay folks, it's mukbang with Sherry time. So first let's try the curry. It's so much better than the Thai curry I make. As a family, we've decided we are major hoarders and we hoard a lot of stuff, and we're like, we all have to get rid of things. And that's what we've been trying to do, like Mary Kondo the whole house, and nobody in this house has any Mary Kondo-ish vibes, including myself, if I may say so. So it's a bit crazy, but I am looking for these apps and sites to kind of resell some of my stuff where I do, you know, clothes, accessories, things like that, to just downsize and not have so much stuff. Because right now I feel like when I'm living between two houses, it's so crazy. I have so much stuff there, so much stuff here, and parents have so much stuff, so we really want to like remove all this extra stuff that we don't need, and kind of like even possibly I want to like redo my shoot space and vibe. It's been a while, you know, to like just freshen everything up. So lots of planning. Yeah, I really need to kind of figure out, you know, all these things, and that's what my time is going into, like cleaning, figuring out how to revamp the shoot space, finding someone to shoot. So yeah, if there's anyone that is watching this, if you're a videographer, my email is in the description. Email me. Yeah, if you guys have any recommendations for sites that do resale stuff that you bought from and you like, that in the comments. And I'm gonna finish my lunch, put out my laundry, get on with the day. Okay folks, laundry is still not done. Yeah, that's the unflattering part of my kitchen, which you never see, but you're seeing it now. This is my least favorite chore, doing bedrooms. I hate it. So I wanted to ask you guys if any of you have a dishwasher, because I am keen on getting a dishwasher and replacing that fridge over there, that ancient fridge that my parents have. Yeah, so if you have any dishwasher recommendations for me, please send them in. Okay folks, here are my shoes, recovering from the Mumbai monsoon, getting some sun and getting rid of the fungus. While we're here, let me also show you my plants. Got some bougainvillea in full bloom, some aloe vera flowers, orchids, and remember I planted some tomato. Well, the plant's really big. Hopefully we'll get some tomatoes soon. And this guy is really thriving.
Sun has got me on my track. I ain't never looking back. I ain't looking back. I ain't looking back. I ain't looking.
Scary Chef Sherry is making an appearance after all. So we're making some chai, some Parsi chai, for which we're going to use some pudina, lemongrass, chai, pani. Okay folks, we are back from our walk. Mister is chilling. I am drinking my chai and having my croissant from Mag Street Kitchen. So that's our new hangout where Maz and I go get stuff. That first sip of chai is like so yeah, while I do that, yesterday while we were cleaning my mother's cupboard, found some of my old report cards, my friends. Okay, what do we have? Lots of A's, lots of B's, some C's. And look at this, spelling and writing need attention. This was never done, guys, which is why my spellings are still so bad. So that was second standard. Then we have third standard. What is the third standard? Kind of similar report card, I guess. Yeah, everyone says I'm a responsible child. Even the earlier one said responsible child. Then we have, which is this? This is 5th to 7th. So 5th standard was very average, 48%. Then we have 50% in 6th standard, and then in 7th standard we have 53.75. Wow. So as you can see, I really knocked it out of the park in like my SSC and HSC and stuff when I got like 70% and stuff, because I was really a 50% type student. But it was also, my parents were never like pressurizing. They were like, as long as you pass and you go to the next like class, that's all that matters, and enjoy your school and do everything. And yeah, that's what it was. Now Mr. is falling asleep while I'm going to quickly finish my chai and croissant, and then I have to finish doing this safai. Okay folks, it has been a day. I have finished cleaning. As you can see, that bag has to go with me. So pretty much decently clean. These are all things to give to people. As you guys know, I give away a lot of my products when I'm not going to be using stuff, and like when people send me stuff that I'm not going to be using, I make gift bags for friends, family, acquaintances, friends of friends, and then I do giveaways for you guys. Also, I realize a lot of the giveaways from the pandemic haven't reached a lot of you, and I'm really sorry about that. We've just found a box with them while I was cleaning, and I'm like, bad cherry. So I'm just going to get in touch with everyone again, send you stuff with more stuff, because I'm so sorry. Okay peeps, I want to show you guys something that we found yesterday while cleaning. Can you see this guy? This is a little wooden flower. There's also a bigger one. The leaf has fallen off, which I'm going to stick along with these. You remember these? I DIY'd these. If you missed that video, I will put it here so you can check it out. But they, in my bag, some of the shells came off, so I'm going to re-stick those. But this guy was bought by Anita and me when I was 12 years old in Amsterdam, I think. We found this little store that had these are the stick inside planters, you know. So when you have other plants, like if you have a money plant and you stick this in or whatever, just like a, you know, like a decor element. I had bought a windmill, and Anita had bought 2 of these, and my mom had just kept them in her cupboard for I don't know how many years now, which is ridiculous. So yeah, I'm gonna repair like the damaged one and then stick them into a pot. Isn't that insane? Like, that is crazy, right? Also, another box just came by. I don't know what this is. Something here from GoDesi. Oh, looks like candy. What is this? What is this? Oh, Imli candy. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, we're gonna have one right now. Let's have an Imli candy. and do our DIY. You guys know I do a lot of clothes swaps with my friends. So there's Sukanya, there's Sana. So Sana sent me these two dresses from like a decade ago when we were very young, and she bought them, and they're really like one is a sequined LVD and another is a sequined like silver dress, which I would probably wear in like my early 20s. But I think I would wear them now. Like, you know, the post-pandemic me is like raging to go party right now in my house. But yeah, let's do a try on.
That sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, destined by the potion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll.
I have no idea where and when I'm going to be wearing these dresses, but I am loving this vibe. It makes me feel like a 20-year-old Sherry is ready to hit the club, when in reality 35-year-old Sherry is ready to hit the shower, eat her dinner, and get in bed to watch her K-drama. Are you ready for khana? Come on, come on, come on. Come on, eat your khana. Come on. Come babu. Kona kha. Bonu khao. Jao. Dinner is served. Got some akuri, some roast chicken, some yummy bread rolls, and truffle butter to eat with that. So the parents have eaten, they're chilling, gone to bed already. When I vlog, I usually let them eat and chill and go to bed and then do my stuff so that they are not inconvenienced. So yeah, dinner for one. You want some? You want some?
He's already
Yeah.
gone to bed.
Right. Well, if you could kindly relay, I'm looking for a comment on a piece I'm posting tomorrow first thing. It's on Newsweek spiking his story on the president's affair with an intern.
Have not gotten to my emails yet, so it's probably 2000 by now. Tomorrow is the day for my emails and for me to edit this vlog. And yeah, I just feel like there's so much happening. Also, I want to ask you guys your opinion on YouTube Shorts. It's a lot like Reels. I have been uploading some stuff here and there. Do you guys watch a lot of shorts? If you do, should I maybe make more shorts? And less longer videos, or do longer videos and shorts? I don't know, I'm confused. I've just started doing it, but it's kind of fun. Let me know in the comments. And that's it from me, guys. Just gonna watch my show, chill a little, and unwind, and then go to bed. I'm exhausted. It's been a long day. Comment below with all the 20 things I've asked you in this vlog. I'm not gonna say one because I feel like I've asked a lot of questions today. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.